Hi, welcome. One more episode of Live Market. Excited, super excited to be over here and convert your laptop to an ATM machine. Boss, this is the right time to go about it. Now, if you are not able to convert your laptop, this is my laptop, that is my ATM machine. Okay, पैसा आना चाहिए वहां पे से, पैसा आना चाहिए. See this, the money is there. Exactly, it comes in. Depends on the skills which you develop. And how do you develop the skills? The market is going to be there and it is going to do other ups and downs. And किसी को बताना नहीं. The market gives money to the people who really wants from it. Seriously. And how much time it takes? How much time it takes? Nothing. Virtually nothing. So guys, thank you very much for joining me. Let me take you to the live market itself. What has the Nifty done? Let's share the screen. Okay. What is this? Are you able to see the screen? Okay. So this is what the Nifty is all about. Let's open up the Nifty and where we had drawn the line, what is it has done and how strong it is. Today morning session, we had given you this particular indication of these levels being, there was a gap which needs to be filled up. And today what it did, just check it out. Such a wonderful way of going about. The gap which was there has got filled up, right? So the last 2 days, we have been pressing everyone, boss, buy, mat karna, because you are right at the top. You are right at the top. And when you buy something on the top, what happens? You get stuck. So buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. That should be the mantra. Now, if you are following this mantra, believe me, this is where the money is to be made. And think about it. Think about it. If I can show you today's trades, okay, here it is. Only one trade has not worked for me. Okay, Shipla from 626 going up to 632, Glenmark 387 to 397, HDFC Bank 940 to 964, Hindustan Lever from 2085 to 2113. Okay, Indigo 977 to 1004, Kotak Bank 1243 to 1266, L&T 892 to 9010. Network 18, I was out because I had the quantity in place. Okay, Reliance 1514 to 1569. That is what is pulling the Nifty up. Okay, so this is the beauty. You want to buy right at the top, but you need to wait. And when you get an opportunity, that is where you make a bang of it, right? Tata Coffee 80.55 to 81.90, good enough. Okay, Tata Consumable 368.60 to 370, go fine. And Tata Elxsi not doing anything. But check it out. Out of 10 stocks which we have picked up, almost all the stocks are going up. And this is what the learning is all about. This is what the learning is all about. This is one part of it. Okay, this is one part of, and this is the beauty. You need to understand the game behind what is happening. Now, if you understand the game behind what is happening, let me take you to a smaller time frame. Okay, let me take you to the smaller time frame. Any questions, please put it in the chat box. Okay, and I will be able to answer that. So going back to 30 days, 15 minutes chart, and see the beauty. These were the lines which we had drawn in the morning, right? We were at the stage 4, and this is where we were looking at 61.8% retracement. which was 9509. The low made was 9544, and then we had a 50% retracement at 96665. And see the way it is dancing over there, and then slowly and steadily price keeps on going up, up, up. Now you are in a sell. Now here you are in a buy. So that's the beauty. So what happens? While on the upside, while we were on the upside, we were selling the market. So booking profits. Why we were booking profits? We were there since the beginning. So from 9,000 going up to 10,000, why should we not book the profit? And I have been advocating every one of you, boss, you need to book profit from time to time. Andar bar karo, not a problem at all. Okay, नीचे में माल फिर से मिलेगा. And today was a lucky day, technically speaking. No, it was not a lucky day. While we were having a clear vision that this was a stage 3 happening. If I take you to a daily chart, see, this was the daily chart. So in the daily chart, we had seen the pressure of the Nifty going down. Then the second day, Nifty went down further. And then it was a confirmation, no, it wants to go down. And then tomorrow morning, first thing I was saying, okay, it will not go beyond 10,159. And this, what happens? It keeps on going down, 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 down. And today, in the last 2 days, it went down from 10,112 onwards to almost the low of 9,544. Now, this is the beauty of the market. Convert your laptop to an ATM machine. If you do that, okay, if you do that, you will be a winner. Sitting at home, coronavirus, everybody is crying, crying, crying. Oh my God, oh my God. मैं तो रह गया, मैं तो रह गया. But here in our market, the market never slips. 365 days, the market works. Okay, Sunday को छोड़ के, Sunday तो everybody wants to have some rest, definitely. लेकिन 24/7 चल रहा है. Commodity market works. Okay, Forex market works. And beauty of this is, when you learn this particular thing, just think about it. I am opening a chart now. Now this chart is a chart of US INR. That means Forex ka chart hai ye. Okay, so this is the beauty. The green and red color candle will remain over here. Everything remaining the same. Everything remaining the same. This is the beauty. Now check it out. I am using the MCX. Okay, in MCX the data is not available. Let me take you to a silver ka chart. Okay, now see the silver ka chart. Few days back, we had a video also on this. Okay, why silver will go up, and what was this video all about? The video was all about nothing but, you know, a beautiful pattern coming in. What was that pattern? That pattern was nothing but a cup and handle pattern. Now let me explain to you what is the cup and handle. Those who are not, who are new to in this, let us show you the cup and handle. So this technically becomes a cup, and this becomes a handle. Okay, so we call this as a cup and handle pattern. Okay, and when you get a cup and handle pattern, you see a strong up move when it breaks the high. You see a strong up move, and the beauty was we were able to catch the complete move. Okay, and when this thing came up, there was one more video which showed that the pressure is down. This is what it was. The pressure was down. That means you should be out of that particular trade. Now, entry is good, right? When the neckline was broken, so this is what we call as a neckline. Okay, of a cup and handle formation. This we call as a neckline. So when the neckline breaks, okay, we can even find out the target. What was the target? Just the first target was this. This was the moment which it already gave. Okay, it gave this particular moment. And technically the target is huge. But will it go to that huge target? It's a question mark. But while the ups and downs are happening, you are able to trade these markets. You are able to trade either silver, gold, or the equity market. Just imagine 250 points minus, and now we are almost gone. The whole thing is gone. We are just 10-point minus now. Again, in the morning, I had specifically said, whatever you want to buy, just go ahead and buy. Don't feel left out. Just buy because it is available cheap. If you want to buy, if you have to buy something which is cheap, and then you sell on the high. So this is what the market is all about. Now we will sit down, अरे market तो नीचे है, उसको हाथ कैसे लगा सकते हैं? And then you will be left out. And when you will be left out, you will not be able to make money. Now this up and down in the market will continue, believe me, because market dynamics have changed. In the next 3 months, the quarterly results are coming in. Now all these quarterly results which came in right now, okay, they were quite good. Why? Because January, February, March wala results had come in. Now April, May, and June, these 3 months ka results which are going to come in July, August, will they be good enough? Of course not. Why? Because 2.5 months lockdown, no factory working, no nothing. So that time there will be definitely pain coming in. But the market dynamics are really to think about. अभी जब भी हम लोग सेल में बैठते हैं तभी बाय हो जाता है, बाय में बैठते हैं तभी सेल हो जाता है. And this, what is happening? Nobody has a clue on this. But no, what is strong will remain strong, and that is what is going to pull the Nifty up. Which are the strong stocks in the Nifty? Just give me a one or two names. Put it in the chat box. Which are the strong stocks? Let's understand the strong stocks in the Nifty. Just think about it. Which are the strong ones as on now? Okay, today everything was negative and everything has become positive. Okay, which are the strong stocks which were become positive? Glenmark. Was this not a strong stock? Yes. Did I buy Glenmark? Yes, of course. Okay, Reliance. Did I buy Reliance? Of course. Okay, so few of the strong stocks, if you are able to pick it up right, okay, this is what is going to give you money, right? Just imagine, where did I buy Reliance? Where did I buy Reliance? What is the price of Reliance? 1514. Now what is the price? 1577. Glenmark, 387. Now it is at 400. So buy low, sell high. Now these are the few of the stocks which are strong, and movement is there definitely. Okay, so we have something on the chat. Let me find out what is the chat box all about. Okay, Reliance is one of them. Shriram Transport Finance is being looked into. Okay, I will look into the TCS, RIL. But TCS, think about it. The TCS, we were in sell since the last 3 days. Today, definitely the cover up was there. Just check this out, TCS. 3 days we were being selling TCS. Okay, while it was at the top, the bearish dark cloud cover coming in right at the top, and see today straight down top. While even when the TCS is strong, I am fine with that, but did it not give us the right entry while TCS was at the top? Just think about it. TCS was at the top. Okay, now this just a 2 candle reversal, dark cloud cover, which we call. Now this dark cloud cover gave us a beautiful down move and see where it went. So why the price is going down, down, down? We want to take a call on this also. Why not? Right? So again, simple logics. No big deal about it. Check the Reliance. Let's check the Reliance. See, Reliance, while it was right at the top, okay, we had this evening star price going down. Again, we were in a sell. Believe me, we were in a sell in Reliance. While because it came to our strong zone. Okay, we came to a strong zone. So while the price went down, coming back, do I sell this or do I wait? Now it depends on you how you are going to look at the market. How you are going to look at the market. Whether you are a short-term player or a long-term player. Now this is where Reliance needs to wait. 1578. Okay. Is it going to wait over here or there will be some profit booking coming in? Well, if the profit booking is coming in, I want to even get out of this position. It is perfectly all right. But where did the Reliance start the journey? Where did the Reliance start the journey? Just think about it. Where did the Reliance start the journey? Right at the bottom. Right at the bottom, we saw this reversal coming in. Beautiful reversal. It is up by almost 70% plus. 72% in fact. Okay. Now, whatever is strong can remain strong for quite some time. Okay. So in the down market, these are the stocks which you want to buy. Not or which are the weak ones has to be sold. Okay. So this up and down will continue. And if you do not play the right game at the right time, it is not going to give you the money. Just the Siemens thing, which we were in sell. Since the last few days, one of the students had actually seen this particular thing. See this? Such a wonderful move. Bearish. Piercing. And then the price going down. A beautiful 1, 2, 3 coming in. Now this is what you want. वहां पे आपको exit करना है, even if you are in a buy. And see the way the price has gone down. Straight. Khatak. Now it came back to our zone. From where it has really gone up strong. So this was our demand zone right at the bottom and it has moved up beautifully well. So this is the importance of you understanding where to buy, where to sell, where to buy, where to sell. Buy low, sell high. Simple as that. Now in this case, we had also had a wonderful option trades happening. We had sold the call over there on the top and we were able to collect the money. So this is what is important for you. This is what is important for you. Now, is the pain over, frankly speaking? No, because in the next 3 quarters, we will have this plus and minus happening. So boss, think about it, a small trade, small price stock. Let me take you to a small price stock. Now people say कि यार आप तो जो काम करते हो वो बता दिया. Not a problem. Let us take a small price stock. Okay, AB Capital. This I have shared with everyone. In fact, see this price going from 40 levels to 36 level, 56 levels, again coming back down and then again going up. Now this is what in and out which I am talking about. Now here, how much percentage gain? Think about it. How much percentage gain you have taken? Now when it came back, I was in the trade again. Am I in the trade again? Now if it goes beyond 56, wow, super. So this is what you want. Always. You buy low, you sell high. One other stock, which I have already traded and I'm still into it. Okay. Let me show you. Everybody wants something. So let me give you one other. Dil mange more. So let me show you this. Where was our entry? Down below over here, right down below over here, where it is almost giving you 100% move in the last 2 months. That's it. Did I not even buy today also? Yes, I bought today and I have exited. Not a problem, because I am having this for my investment purpose. I wanted dil mange more. So I am doing in and out so that my holding price goes down. Please understand this very clearly. I want to reduce my holding price. Now, if I want to keep it for a long time, not a problem. Just think about it, what it has done. Such a wonderful move. Why should I let it go? Why should I let it go? So guys, buy low, sell high is the mantra, but you can do in and out so that it saves your capital. But someone with less capital, someone who has burnt his fingers, okay, someone whose stop loss is getting hit again and again, then is the right time to learn this. Okay, I was like you. I was into computer hardware business for almost 22 years before I have landed up into the stock market. Okay, accidentally, believe me, accidentally. I had a small fall in the bathroom, and then, believe me, I had to undergo 5 knee operations, painful 5 knee operations. And I was sitting at home for almost 2.5 years. Now think about it. You lose your business becomes zero. It's painful. And then you are into the market completely new. Believe me, I also have lost my account not once but twice. 50,000 rupees wala account when I was learning, zero kar diya. Absolutely zero. Why? Because I was having no clue of what is happening. In fact, I was so novice that it took me 6 months to understand what is bull and what is bear. 6 months. But then I got the hang of it. And now I am following a system which I teach to many. In fact, the institute where I have learned, more than 350 plus students have come to me to learn about this, because I trade live in the market with my money. Okay, and I show you that it is easy. 1 minute wala trade, the bank nifty trades, which I keep on taking again and again, and I keep on showing, boss, you don't need your time. The whole time in this market, you can do whatever you want to do, but just entry exit is all what you want. 100-point system, which is what I teach, just to take home 100 points. 100 points in the bank nifty, where the movements are huge movements. Okay, if you take 100 points, multiply by 20 ka lot size. Okay, and you have a 20 days ka game. So just think about it, how much money is made. Almost 40,000 rupees. But no, you are new, not a problem. Take a 50% discount. 50% ka discount leke jao. How much you can make? 20,000 rupees. That is per one lot. You don't need more than 1 lakh rupees for that. For one lot of bank nifty. Just one lot. Okay. Now you say, I am to novice. I cannot think about 20,000 rupees. No problem. Take another 50% discount. That is 10,000 rupees. Now 10,000 rupees every month on a 1 lakh rupee. That means you are going to double your account in a year. That is the power of this particular market. 250 points down and completely recovery. Complete recovery. That is the beauty. And this is what you need to understand and learn. That market is all about how you are going to go about it. So guys, I am going to hold a session on Sunday, which will be for the whole day. In fact, Okay, I'm planning to have this session for the whole day. So if you would love to join in, okay, WhatsApp me. Okay, at the same time, go and watch the videos which are there on YouTube. My YouTube channel is there, Mayur Sampath. Okay, so watch that videos which are there for you. So much of learning material has been put in. Okay, whatever. While on the 24th of March, there is a video which I am saying market yahan se upar jayega 45-degree angle, and see the way from 7,550 onwards coming to right at 10,000 plus levels. Now I am shouting, boss, it is going to go down. Yes, it went down. It came to our level, and then the buying takes place. So in and out you need to do. So that is the beauty of the market. And if you learn the things right, okay, if you understand that your laptop sitting at home, your laptop can be converted to an ATM machine. Okay, from cubicles to Wall Street, that is the beauty. Life of freedom. Okay, life of changing your belief system. Now you must have lost money. I understand you must have lost money also, not a problem. But the learning, is it right? Are you growing? Do you have a system behind what is to be done? We have the 10-minute system, we have the 45-minute system. Now, if you can just follow a particular set of rules, the rules are the one which are going to give you that money. Mayur Sampath is not going to pay you. I'm not going to pay you. Market is going to pay you. But the best and the beauty part is market pays everyone. Okay, those who are making efforts to learn this. Questions, open to questions. Chalo, put in your questions. Perfectly all right. Anything you want to ask me? Anything you would love to check it out? Any particular stock you want to look at? I will be taking that. We have only few minutes left now, just 5 minutes. Let me help you with that.
Bajaj Finance.
Bajaj Finance, okay. Let me show you Bajaj Finance. Two 382 से लेके what it has done. This is a weekly chart. Let me take you to the daily chart. Strong recovery from the top, from the bottom.
It is again coming into the supply zone, huh?
Correct. Okay, so this is the beauty. Over here, we had specifically said to sell. Why? Because a doji candle coming inside the supply zone, which was a weekly supply zone. Okay, and then the price going down from almost from 2570 onwards to today 2200. Did we not see the price pushing down the pre-market opening 2200 opening, and see the open high almost the same. Low was 2199, open was 2200, almost the same, and the price pushing itself going above the 2275 levels. Now think in terms of whatever time frame we are working on. So CRM Transport, one other stock change. Let me see CRM Transport. CRM Transport, there are so many. Okay, this is the one, I think so.
एक्चुअली कल ब्रेकआउट हुआ था.
ओके,
मैंने बोला ना स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टॉक से पीछे रहना है, शॉर्ट वीक को शॉर्ट करना, वो वाला कैंडिडेट है.
ओके, So definitely a beautiful weekly breakout, and now the price going up. अभी सब कुछ चालू होगा, तो all this price has been factored into this. Yes, very nice finding. Moving average के ऊपर जा रहा है. So this is a daily chart. Okay, strong breakout has taken place and it has followed up with this particular thing. Okay, Kotak Bank is otherwise also stake sale हो गया, खत्म हो गया, and now it wants to remain on the top. It is dancing between 1100 to 1350 levels. But see the price, it went up to 1391 our levels, and then slowly coming down. There was a stake sell over here. Okay, and that is why it has gone down. लेकिन कहां से एंट्री मिला था? Right at the bottom 1097 से. Okay.
मेरे भाई निफ्टी क्या लगता है?
हाँ जी.
मेरे भाई निफ्टी क्या लगता है ये रेंज से?
See, if you see the daily chart, think about it. अभी भी तो इसके ऊपर गया नहीं है. Okay. तो मंडे को वापस there will be some pain definitely coming in. तो ये तो अंदर बार तो होने वाला है for sure. Okay, unless and until I have specifically said unless and until 9944 नहीं तोड़ के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, तब तक ऊपर वापस ये डांस करवाएगा यहाँ पे. It's a drop and now it should wait over here and then rally, or it has gone up. अगर Elliott wave theory के हिसाब से चलते हैं, then it is a painful area. Okay, ऊपर जाने के बाद में if the drop now comes down below, okay, then we will be seeing the lower side.
Okay.
Now these levels which are there, these levels will work as जो support था उसके नीचे चला गया. Now this is acting as a resistance.
9944.
Yes. Okay. 9944 will act as a resistance. So guys, join me on Sunday if you would love to, and जो भी है, keep sharing. YouTube पे बहुत सारे डाले हैं, share करो, like करो. And I will keep on coming in again and again.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay.
Sir, एक बाकी क्या पूछ? Explio बोला था कुछ चांस से? Explio solution. Explio solution. Yes, I ask sir. If you can please. Explio.
Okay. ये तो सर्किट पे लगा है. Exit कर लेना. आधा माल exit कर लो. अगर अंदर नीचे से बाय किया हुआ है तो.
Okay.
घर पे लेके जाऊं पैसा, घर पे मिलता है तो घर पे लेके जाने का. Don't be too लालची.
Okay.
It's a operator driven